Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix SDK not setup error in Unreal Engine. So this error appears when you try to package your project. So if I go to this platforms tab and then go to Windows section and then click on package project, I'm facing this SDK not setup error. However, if I click on continue, it would let me choose the directory where I want to package my project. So if I select this directory, it will gonna start packaging my project, but after some time it will say that build failed. As you can see over here, it says build failed. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error and also how to set up Visual Studio for Unreal Engine. So let's get started. So in my previous video I showed you how to download and install Unreal Engine on your PC. So if you need any help regarding that, you can go and watch the video now. However, let's open up our browser and we need to go to Unreal Engine documentations. So I'm gonna type Unreal Engine documentation and let's open this official website link. Now once you're on this page, you need to make sure to choose the correct version that you're currently using. So in my case, I'm using Unreal Engine 5.6. So I'm gonna select that. And then we can go to this understanding the basics section and you can just open this, and then here we have this install Unreal Engine section as well. And from here we can go to this hardware and software specifications because we need software versions. This page has mentioned each and every software version that you need in order to run everything perfect with Unreal Engine. So we're focusing on Visual Studio version. So here it says that we need to download Visual Studio 2022 version to work with our Unreal Engine 5.6. So let's download it. If you go to official Visual Studio website, which is Visual Studio download, you can see that after the release of Visual Studio 2026, we don't have any link to download Visual Studio 2022. So instead downloading it from their official site, we can just write Visual Studio 2022 GitHub, and we can download the installer from GitHub because it is available over there. This is the link for each and every installer. As you can see, we got the link for 2026 as well, and we also have the link for 2022. So from here you can just choose the community edition. So just like this, release Visual Studio Community Edition .exe file, and we can click on it, and we're gonna download the Visual Studio installer. So now let's open it. So now as you can see, when this tab appears, you need to make sure that you don't close this tab, because if you close this tab, you cannot install this Visual Studio Community 2022 again, because it will automatically gonna start installing the 2026 version. So make sure don't close it. Now from here we need to choose some components that we need. So how are we gonna know what we need? As again, we can go back to this hardware and software specification page on Unreal Engine documentation, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see there is a link for setting up Visual Studio. You can simply open it up, and if it again gonna show the version compatibilities that with 5.6 we got 17.8 or later, and then 17.14 is recommended, and then we got 17.14. I'm sure, as you can see we got 17.14. And then the other software that we need are MSVC, Windows SDK, LLVM, and .NET.8. These are all the versions that are mentioned. We got minimum versions and recommended versions as well. And also, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see all the settings that you need over here. So we need .NET multi-platform. I'm gonna click this. Then we need .NET desktop development, and then we need desktop development with C++, and lastly we need game development with C. And over here, make sure to choose some extra settings as well. As you can see, .NET desktop and C++ profiling tools. In this section it is, I guess, in game development section. Yep, C++ profiling tools, it is tagged, and then address sanitizers, it is also tagged. Then we need SDKs and Unreal Engine installer. I'm not gonna select this Unreal Engine installer because it is already installed on my PC. So anyways, from here, now you can select these 1 2 3 4 tabs, and then you can go to individual components. And from here, it is not recommended, but I mostly download it. I just download .NET 5, 6, 7. I download 8 and 9, and also make sure to download this .NET Core 2.1 and 3 runtime. And then from there were additional things that you need. If you see MSVC, so you can just simply search for MSVC over here, and you can see that we have installed this one, which are again latest, but again, just for to make sure, it says the minimum and recommended version is 14.3.8. So I'm gonna find the 14.3.8, which is this one. So I'm gonna just choose this one as well. And then we need SDK, so we can just type Windows SDK. And if you scroll down, you can see that we are getting Windows 11 SDK. Currently I'm using Windows 10, so I'm gonna select this one as well. And just in case, I'm gonna select this one as well, so that I don't face any kind of error. And then lastly we need LLVM, so you can just search here LLVM, and just make sure to tick these both. And then after selecting it, you can just click on install, and we're gonna start installing Visual Studio on your PC. Now once you have installed Visual Studio Community on your PC, you can now just simply close this Visual Studio installer, and you just need to restart this Unreal Engine. Okay, now I'm restarting Unreal Engine, and let's see if this fixed our error or not. I'm gonna open up my project that was I was currently working on. Okay, now here we are back in Unreal Engine, and now as you can see that if I click on Platforms tab, and this warning sign is now gone, and now I can package my project. So I'll show you how to package this. I'm gonna go to package settings, and then I'm not gonna change these things right now because it is just for testing. And in build, under this project section, and I'm gonna change this to always, and then for build configuration I'm gonna set it to shipping. And yep, that's it. And we can just go to platforms and then Windows, and then we can package project. And now you can see that it didn't give any error this time, and we can just simply select folder, and our packaging is starting. Now here we are. As you can see, our build is complete, and it says build successful, and we got no errors. Now let's see if we can play this game or not. I'm gonna navigate to my directory, which is this one, and where is it? I guess this one. Yep. So inside this my project folder, and Then inside this Windows section, we got this my project.exe file, and to show you, I'm gonna close this editor, and now let's open up this exe file. It is loading right now. But yeah, here as you can see, we can move around, and our game is working. I'm pretty sure there's some shader compilation and that is going on in the background. And yeah, I made this plate that once I overlap it, I just enter into another level. So let's try if it works. So yep, there we go. As you can see, we are in this combat variant now, and if we switch guns, and our game is playing. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys like it, please make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.